Let us continue with exercise 5C. We will do question number 8. Question number 8 says solve by factorization method. In class 9 you have already learned about factorization method. So we will solve the quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Okay, see the question is given x plus 1 by x is equals to 2.5. So here nothing is there, that means 1 is there. So we'll take the LCM as x. So here it will be x square plus 1 is equals to 2.5 means 25 by 10. Just cancel, we'll get 5 by 2. So x square plus 1 by x is equals to 5 by 2. Cross multiply, we'll get 2x square plus 2 is equals to 5x. Now we will bring this 5x to the left hand side. We'll get 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now so minus 5 we will have to divide it into two factors. So 2x square plus in bracket minus 1 and minus 4. Then x plus 2 is equals to 0. So it will become 2x square minus x minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now from here we will take x common. So in bracket it will become 2x minus 1, and here minus 2 if we take common, here it will become 2x minus 1. So it will be 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So either 2x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore we get x, the value of x is either 1 by 2 or 2. So I hope number 8 is clear. Let us move to the next sum, which is number 23. Question number 23 says find the value of x if a plus 1 is equals to 0 and x square plus ax minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation where a is the unknown. Now a's value we will get it from this and we will put it here, then we will get a quadratic equation. Then by solving we can get the value of x. So let us start. A is equals to minus 1 because a plus 1 is equals to 0, so a is equals to minus 1. Put the value of a in this equation, it will become x square plus in bracket minus 1 x minus 6 is equals to 0, so it will become x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Now x square plus here minus 1, we will have to divide minus 1 into two factors, so 2 minus 3 x minus 6 is equals to 0, so x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 0. So if we take x common, it will become x plus 2, and if we take here minus 3 common, it will become x plus 2. So it will be x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So either x plus 2 is equals to 0 or x minus 3 is equals to 0. So the value of x is either minus 2 or 3. Okay. Now we will move to question number 31. Question number 31, see it's given that 2 is a root of the equation 3x square minus p into x plus 1 is equals to 0. 2 is the root of the equation, and the equation px square minus qx plus 9 is equals to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of p and q. So in the first case it is given 2 is the root of the equation. That means x is equals to 2 is the solution of this equation. 3x square minus p into x plus 1 is equals to 0. So if I put the value of 2 in place of x, then the equation will be satisfied. So 3 into in place of x 2 square minus p in bracket 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. So it will be 3 into 12 minus p into 3 is equals to 0. So minus 3p, say this one, minus 3p is equals to this 12. If it goes to this side, it will become minus 12. So value of p is 4. Now you see the second part of the question says px square minus qx plus 9 is equals to 0 has equal roots. So let us compare this with the general form. So a has become p, a is equals to p, b is equals to minus q, and c is equals to 9. Now since the question says that this equation has equal roots, so b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now put the value of b, that is minus q whole square minus 4 into a is how much, a is p, and c is 9 is equals to 0. So minus q whole square is q square. So minus 4 into what is the value of p? We have got it here 4. So 4 into 9 is equals to 0. So q square minus 144 is equals to 0. So q square is equals to 144. Q is equals to root over 144, that is equals to 12. Therefore the value of p is equals to 4 and the value of q is 12. So I hope you have understood the sum.